In this video, I'm going to show you how to add 1Password extension to Google Chrome. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the quickest way to do this is to head on over to my.1password.com and sign into your account. Now, once we've signed up or signed into our account, we want to go ahead and click onto our name and then set up on another device. Now, inside of here, we're going to be taken to the app section of 1Password. Now, on this page, it's going to say 1Password for Chrome. So go ahead and click onto that. Now, that's going to open up the Chrome Web Store. As you can see here, we've got the 1Password Password Manager extension. So go ahead and click on Add to Chrome. Now, have a read of that. Click on Add to Extension, Add Extension, and that should start adding that extension inside of Google Chrome. You can see it's downloading and doing its thing here. So give that a few moments to add it to Google Extension. Now, once you've successfully done that, you'll be able to click onto extensions and see your 1Password extension. So we can go ahead and start the setup. So we can go ahead and click on Start Setup. We can sign in or create your 1Password account. So I'm just going to sign into my account. So here it is here, choose my account. Now I'm going to put in my password, click sign in. Now you might be taken to this page here. It says tutorial, and it's going to show you can pin the 1Password extension if you like. So I can go ahead and pin that, and that's going to be there. Ready, set, and internet. So now you can use the 1Password to create, save, and use your logins as you go.